Hello. So far we learned what is a data type and basic data types in Python and list data type and tuple and dictionary and sets. So today we are trying to compare all these advanced data types, how each one different from other. Today, let's get started. Before we get into the today's agenda, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Let's get started. I have created a tabular format to make you understand better the four data types and their functionalities, how each one is different from other data type. Let's start from basic. The first one, the list. The definition of list, as we know that it follows the always, it preserves the order. It doesn't matter how we are keeping the elements into the list, right? If you are, as you know that if you are the position 10, if you are keeping the value in the list, it preserves the 10th order only. The order never shuffles in the list. And tuple also, it preserves the order, but it's an immutable collection. What does it mean, immutable? How this is different from list? List is a mutable collection and tuple is a immutable collection. Mutable means here we can change the element any point in time. Over the time, you can change the elements. You can modify, you can add. But whereas in tuples, it preserves the order, but you can't change the elements here. Directly, the tuples, it's not allowing you to change. But if somebody asks you to change the tuple, there is a possibility that we will talk about it very soon. Collections. The next collection is dictionary. The dictionary is a key value pair. A key value pair, the key value pair always, the dictionary also, in terms of the order, typically, then technically, even dictionary also won't follow any order. Unordered collection. This is dictionary also unordered collection. What about sets? The sets also unordered collection, but it maintains all the time unique items. Even in the dictionary also, it maintains all the time, it's a unique elements. Okay? When we say the dictionary unique elements, the key is always unique. Okay? Now, the declaration of the syntax of all these four data types, here first one, it follows the square bracket, the parenthesis, and dictionary, it follows the flower brackets. The braces, okay, curly braces. But the sets, if you closely observe sets, there are two types. The few of them, you can define sets with the curly braces as well as set with the parenthesis. The set with parenthesis, it's a constructor. It's a constructor. You can directly use the constructor and then you can define with the parenthesis. You understand? I'll show you this one, how to define this one as well. In the list, right? The sets, as I said, sets, right? Okay. Set. See, this is what I meant. We can print this. Understand? See, ultimately, you can use this constructor and then automatically this will convert to the proper set syntax format. Okay? This is possible. Now, the examples, you can see that this is how they are defining this one, the tuple and also the name of the student and the age of the student and the fruits, apple, banana, mango, right? The mutable, as I said, the collection can change. Over the time, you can change the collection. The tuple, it's not possible. Even dictionary also, the keys, we can't change the keys, but the values, see, the key means the name and age. You can't change this. But the values, you can change it. It must be unique. Like, the name and name is, all things, it must be unique. Okay? And You can have the sets. Probably the sets can be changeable. The order maintained, as I said, the order also. Here we don't have, see, you have list can be ordered and also tuple can be ordered. And as I said, typically the technical dictionary, unordered collection. But post that Python 3.7, this is also, now it is preserving the order. But sets, it doesn't matter in which place you're adding the element. It will never preserve the order here. It's always random. But every time you're querying the set, you may get the different result. Okay, and duplicates. And list can have a multiple element, the same elements, the duplicates. But a keys must be unique in the dictionary case. And here, no duplicates in the set. Okay. So accessing the elements with the help of indexes, you can use the list. With the help of indexes, you can access the tuple. But in dictionary, you must use the key only, not with the value. If somebody is trying to access the value, it won't work here. Okay. Here, no index concept here in the sets directly by keys. Okay. This is not by a value. Directly, you have to use the keys. These are all keys. The elements directly use the elements, you can access it. Use cases, typically when we will use that list element, when you need a dynamic collection, like when we say dynamic collection, let's say maybe you're reading the data for students' marks, right? Let's say if you look at this example, if you are having the list of students, they're followed by their marks. Might be today, the marks are followed by 10, 20, 30. Maybe the tomorrow, maybe their marks 20, 30, 40, like that. The list can be changed. Those kind of scenarios, we will use the list. And fixed collection of fixed collection. This tuple is the fixed collection. Let's say if you are working in the real-time project, the server names, the username and password, it won't change over the time. Maybe in future it might change, but as I said that there is a possibility where you can change the tuple, right? They said it's not changeable, right? But still you can change it. How? You have to convert the tuple into the list and you can change it. You can revert it back to tuples. That's how we can able to achieve this. But the fixed values, we are not allowing, strictly we are not allowing the people to modify their tuples. Okay? Right. That even, so key value pair, right? You can with the help of the key, you can change the value of any of these keys. That is possible. But whereas in the tuple, you need a unique values. Okay. And also if you are looking for the faster access of the elements, the tuple, the list, when you need a unique values and also you want to read the data quickly, then those kind of scenarios we will use the sets. Okay. So if you look at the performance comparison also, the sets are very fast compared to other collections. And also the obviously the list is the slower than all this because the list can be modified over time, and also you will have a different indexes. That indexes always changes the indexes, but whereas in the tuple it's a fixed index, right? It won't change. Like it's easily that it will allocate the memory and easily you can read the data. Okay, those lines you can say that the performance is very high than comparing to the list. Understand? So the scenarios, the example scenarios, these are all the example scenarios we use it. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you really like this video, please leave a thumb and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Please support me and we'll meet in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.